Hey Sandro, thank you for coming to Effect Days. As one of our most active Effect users, I'm curious, how do you think this workshop will benefit you both personally and professionally?
Yeah, I'm convinced that Effect will be like the future of writing TypeScript in general. And since TypeScript is ubiquitous right now, everywhere in the community, you can write pretty much everything in TypeScript. And the next iteration for probably like the next 10 years, in my opinion, it's all about Effect right now. And so I'm pushing a lot on Effect. And a lot of people with me, actually, like more than 100 people here at the conference. And professionally for me, it's about learning how this technology works, all the modules and all the primitives that Effect provides to everyone. And I'll share everything that I learn as I learn more about this for people to like start using Effect more in their projects to actually evolve the community and to have like more powerful application faster with less error, less bug for everyone.
Thank you so much, Sandro. See you around.
Yeah, thank you so much.